Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're seeing the fails message, verification fails due to small mistakes. Here's how to fix it. First, ensure that your name matches your ID exactly. And always make sure that you're uploading clear photos with no blur or glare. To remove blur, try swiping your back camera, or if you're using a front camera, with a soft tissue paper or a piece of cloth which is soft and not so hard so it won't scratch your camera screen and then make the matters worse. Then use good lighting for selfie and remove hats or glasses. While submitting your government ID, make sure to place it on a dark surface and with good lighting so everything's clear. Then resubmit the verification request. Most users get approved on the second attempt, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.